Hi there, stock traders and investors. Welcome back to our EquiTalks series. Today is April 8, 2020. My name is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. And we are already on our EquiTalks episode number 135. And in today's episode, I will talk about my analysis and recommendation for Puregold Price Club with a stock code of PGOLD. That's called Puregold. Okay? And by the end of this analysis, this question will be answered. Should you sell Puregold or Puregold near 41.30? Let's find out if it's a yes or no. So let's go ahead with my analysis. Puregold closed today at 41.4. It went up by 2.99%. The total turnover value reached 188 million pesos. Foreign traders were the main drivers of Puregold today, but foreign investors are net buyers today as well, with a net foreign buying worth 28.3 million pesos. But year to date, their participation is quite contradictory since they are net sellers year to date. And however, it's not something that we should be very worried about because relatively speaking, foreign investors' participation year to date is not that significant. Now, on this chart, I will tell you where the immediate support and resistance is or are. Puregold's immediate support is at 41.30, while the immediate resistance is at 46.5. So it has just broken out above the previous resistance at 41.30, which is now acting as its immediate support. Now, Puregold having a historical volatility score of above 100%, actually it's at 112% to be exact, that's already an extremely high risk level, making Puregold an extremely high risk stock. Now, do I see a buy signal confirmation for Puregold? Okay, by the way, just to set proper expectations, here at Equilyst Analytics, we can only raise a buy signal confirmation if the stock has a bullish 10 MACD and momentum power indicator. If you'd like to know when do the 10 MACD and momentum power indicator become bearish or bullish, I suggest that you watch our online stock market course, which you will get an access when you subscribe to our stock market subscription service. But more of that later. Now here, the 10 MACD of Puregold is bullish because the last price is already trading above the 10 SMA and MACD is still moving above the signal line. Now how about the momentum power indicator? Okay, the last candlestick is green, the last volume bar is green, and it is higher than the 50% of the stock's 10-day volume average. Now let's take a look at the VWAP, or the volume weighted average price. The volume weighted average price of Puregold is at 41.05. Okay, luckily it's still lower than the last price, which is a good thing. Now, the dominant range is between 41 to 41.4, and that's still closer to the intraday high than the intraday low. Okay, good. So all four elements of the momentum power indicator of Puregold are bullish. Therefore, the entire momentum power indicator of Puregold is also bullish. So is there a buy signal confirmation? Yes, there is. So what's the answer? Sell Puregold near 41.30? I will tell you the answer later. Let's continue first. The true market sentiment is neutral and it has a role in my recommendation. Okay, recommendations. Get your pen and paper handy. Okay, now, if you still have Puregold and if your trailing stop is still intact, I don't recommend that you sell. Hold your position. Okay, hold your position if you are a low risk investor, or top up within the dominant range if you are a high risk investor, since the 10 MACD and momentum power indicators are bullish anyway. There's a buy signal confirmation. So pick your choice according to your risk level. Okay? But as far as the answer to that question is concerned, the answer is no, don't sell yet. If the price goes higher, then do an upward adjustment on your trailing stop. Okay? Now, if you don't have Puregold yet, same piece of advice. Follow my recommendation, what I said a few seconds ago, depending on your level of risk tolerance. So that's it. Now, let's talk about our stock market subscription service very quickly so that you will know what you will get when you subscribe. By the way, we don't teach basics. We want to teach you if you would like to level up from basic to advanced. Okay, that's our role. Okay, now, what do you get? But first things first, visit equilyst.com/subscribe. equilyst.com/subscribe. So here's what you will get when you subscribe to our stock market subscription service. Number one, you will get an access to our online stock market course. You will learn how to analyze like how I analyze. And this is my proprietary methodology in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. I will teach you what you will not find on Google or YouTube. And number two, you will receive a daily report with 10 trade ideas for short-term trading, if you like to do short-term trading. Number three, you will get an access to our investment guide for long-term investing. We will monitor all 30 blue chip companies. We will tell you if there's a buy signal confirmation and where it's best to buy if there's a buy signal confirmation. Number four, you will get an access to our private clients forum. This is where you can ask questions and request for our latest analysis of any Philippine stock. And number five, you'll be eligible to our Learn to Earn affiliate program. This is where you can submit your analysis in the private clients forum so I can check it. If it's really on par with our online stock market course, I'm going to ask if you would be willing to have it published, to have it be published on our websites. And if you would like to, we can publish it with your photo, byline, and affiliate link. When someone subscribes to us through your affiliate link, you will get a 20% commission. That's our positive reinforcement for you to seriously master our evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market or our online stock market course. Last but not the least, you will get a free online stock broker's account and free access to FirstMetroSec PRO, the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines today by FirstMetroSecurities. And then scrolling a little bit to the bottom, you will be able to read the 600 plus testimonials or reviews of our customers. And you will also be able to see the 3 steps on how to subscribe at the bottom together with your payment options. So where do you go to subscribe? Go to equilyst.com/subscribe. And have you ever heard of the first ever online stock market library in the Philippines? We have it. Go to equilyst.com/library. In this library, you can read our news articles. We write our own news, by the way. We don't copy and paste someone else's news. You can read our analysis. You can watch or listen to our podcasts. You can watch our videos. You can use our calculators, which I programmed. And you can use our dictionary, our word bank. If you'd like to know any stock market word or phrase, just type it here and it will give you the definition. And even more. Now, if you will scroll a little bit to the bottom, you will see a sign-up form to our free newsletter. Sign up here so that you will receive an email notification when we publish a new episode like this one. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, or if you're listening to this podcast on SoundCloud, go to the description box down below so that you can follow us on our social media accounts. We are on Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, Vimeo, SoundCloud, etc. So why should you follow us? So that you will receive a notification as well from your favorite social media account when we publish a new episode. Alright, so I hope you've learned something from this EquiTalks episode number 135 for, what's our stock code for today? It's Puregold. Okay? So if you have follow-up questions, comment down below. There's a comment section below. Again, my name is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. Invest independently, trade tactically.